Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the PR Talk Show initiated by Rabdi Meher, a non-profit organization. And today introducing Mr. Grinesh Khetripal. He's one of the youngest businessman in India, and he's just 31 years old. And the most important thing that Mr. Grinesh owns 6 companies right now. He is the managing director of group of companies, all 6 companies. This is one of the remarkable thing. And just I want to add something about Mr. Grinesh. He is the youngest Pharma Ratna Award achiever, and he has got his company Conor Cosmo has got Best Cosmetic Company of India in Pharma Ratna Award 2019. Once again, welcome to PR Talk Show, Mr. Grinesh Khetripal, the youngest businessman of India.
Very good morning.
How's everything?
Sir, everything is doing well.
So, just please share me about your success story. Because see, formation of one company, running one company is a big challenge. But you developed and you formed 6 companies and running all the 6 companies right now. So, what are those companies?
Right. Thank you so much, sir, first of all, for show. And I would like to thank you and Pharma Ratan Universe to give such a big opportunity to share my views and experience about myself. As I am the youngest entrepreneur in India, uh, I started my career with GlaxoSmithKline, sir,
Excellent.
in 2010.
Excellent.
And thereon, as a medical rep, I worked with them for 1.5 years. And later on, I started True Worth Healthcare. True
Excellent.
means such, worth means value in healthcare sector, sir.
Excellent.
In the first financial year, sir, I worked as by taking and getting my products prescribed from the doctors from in particular territory. Thereafter, thereafter, I created a sales of 3,31,354 rupees in the first financial year.
Mhm.
In second financial year, I grown from 3,31,000 to 17 lakhs
Excellent.
turnover. And thereafter, one thing came to my mind that if I can take the franchise, why not to give the franchise in pan India? So I
Excellent.
started planning for that and developing my own brands in TrueWorth Healthcare and started giving franchise in pan India. And
Excellent.
later on, I got good response from market. In the next financial year, I jumped from 17 lakhs. Third financial year, I jumped from 17 lakhs to 48 lakhs
Excellent.
annually. And then I, having a good business, I'm confident. Then I grown from 55 brands to, in the next financial year, we jumped up to 220 brands. And we grown our turnover to 48 lakh rupees to 4 crore.
Excellent.
And then after, uh, I thought one thing again, that if I can develop my own brands, why not to develop it for my clients? So I
Excellent.
started working on that, and I developed many brands in third party manufacturing. So first, in the first 3 years, I was working as a franchise business. In the next upcoming years, in the fourth financial year, I started working as a third party manufacturer as well. So we jumped over turnover from 4 crores to 8 crores. And thereafter that, I then at that time I thought that it is the right time to get myself a manufacturer. It is the right time to called as a manufacturer. So I have planned for a dedicated nutraceutical and Ayurvedic manufacturing unit with the name of QSD Formulation Private Limited
Mhm.
in Sonipat Rai. And Q stands for quality, S for services, D for determination. So
Mhm.
that was the thought of making that particular manufacturing unit. And
Excellent.
again, we got a very good response from market, as we are very much got famous for packing and designing in India. And we have grown our turnover in that particular next 2 years, next two financial years, from 18 crore to almost
Excellent.
70 crore.
Excellent.
And thereafter, getting those And thereafter, we found that if we are famous for packaging and designing in India, to why not to go into cosmetics
Excellent.
manufacturing unit. So we have planned for again another manufacturing house situated at Ambala with the name of Knorr Cosmo India Private Limited. And right now we are into two manufacturing units, three marketing house, and one e-commerce platform, online platform. So we are covered four range. One is the franchise business, one is the third party business, one is the import and export, and another one is the e-commerce side. In a nutshell, sir, I can tell you about my experience, sir. From making a piece of paper into a visiting card, from shifting nobody belief into a tremendous belief, from a distributor to be called a company, from no grounds to almost two factory and three marketing office across the country. Now people are saying, sir, we are local. So we are just making ourselves from local to vocal and vocal to global.
Grinish, I'm inspired. I'm inspired with your achievement and I'm inspired with your innovative vision. Grinish, just let me know how much investment you started, how much investment you started your business first, and what is your last turnover?
What is?
Your last turnover.
Okay. Sir, I would like to tell you that I started from 7 rupees. It
Oops.
is difficult. It is difficult to tell you that how dedicated I am at that particular time, because somebody has told me that money are never an obstacle in your life. Ideas are always an obstacle in your life. So on that particular quotation, I worked really very hard. A lot of people have contributed in my success, invested in us, and today we have grown up to almost nearly about 90 crores turnover as a whole group.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. Very, very good. So please let me know, please share me your, who is your mentor and who those people that help you a lot to enter into business and whatever you are right now. Must be some people with you, along with you, the family members or friends or anybody else. Can you say something about those people?
Yes, sir, definitely. Sir, I will not say that I am a self-made man. Basically, I am a many-made man, I guess, because you are what your surroundings are. A lot of people have, I have observed a lot of people success, and for example, my parents, they are hardworking. My father is having a five chemist shop. My mother is having a beauty parlor from last 30 years. So they both are hardworking. So I found myself in I studied hardworking from them. A lot of they have done in their life. And my first boss, first and last boss, the GlaxoSmithKline boss, my wife, my candidates who are working with me right now, my partners, my friends, everybody has contributed in my success story, sir. I guess today what I am today is just because of them, and I'm happy for that.
Excellent. Lovely, lovely, super. You are now the really an icon for the youngsters, not only for India, but for the global community. Because see, everybody is right now, and during the COVID pandemic, everybody is very much restless, jobless, and eager to do something. And they are, and this is the golden opportunity. They can join hands together with you as a franchisee business associate, and they might be a businessman. They can utilize their time as an opportunity to become a businessman rather than working and rather than finding jobs, because see, jobs are limited right now. So
Right,
those who
right.
are very much interested for business, they can join with you as a business associate and can start their own business, even with the a small investment in their own area. Lovely, Ganesh. I'm very much happy, and really, once again, I will tell you that I'm very much inspired. And see, you are very planned. You are B Farm, MBA, and LLB. So those who are, especially, I'm talking about those who are B Farm or M Farm. They feel that I am just B Farm. I am just M Farm. So the just is really a negative thing. We should not think about the just. We should do something innovative, because we know one thing, that without innovation, relation, marketing, we cannot be a successful person. And
Right.
you have that caliber and vision with you.
Thank you so much.
So, where are you now exporting right now? Which
Sir,
country?
we have recently started our export house. From last 2 years, we are into exports. But from last 2 years, we are our domestic business is growing like anything. So we have just came back and again concentrating on domestic business. And side by side, we are also concentrating on export business.
Okay.
So we are exporting in South Africa, Kazakhstan, and we are exporting to Ghana. Just a few days back, or one of our consignment is going to Ghana, and one or two countries we are expanding ourselves with.
Excellent.
We're looking for few more clients with quality product who are looking for quality products and new innovative packaging and different kind of products in under FSSAI, Ayurvedic or cosmetics. We will definitely welcome them.
How many sisters and brothers you are, and are they working with you as a partner or as a business associate, or what? Please, can you share me something?
Yes, sir. We are three brothers.
Mm-hmm.
My elder brother is helping my dad with five chemist shop,
Mm-hmm.
and my younger brother is handling now. He's being into active director of Knorr Cosmo India Private Limited. So he is dedicatedly taking care of the manufacturing press process. One thing is different with us is that we have created two different things. One is the manufacturing is dedicated and the marketing is different. I have seen in many a lot of manufacturing houses where you have seen that marketing sits in the manufacturing unit only. So we have not that kind of environment with us. We have a dedicated marketing houses and we have a dedicated manufacturing houses in which both can and both having the different active director. So both are taking care of uh, uh,
Planning,
planning.
business strategy. You are
Right.
utilizing your MBA qualification very well, and the pharma as well. So I have just last question, Grinesh.
Yes.
Uh, with 7 rupees investment, now you are at 90 crores, and you are going to touch upon the 100 crores very soon, inshallah. It's a very amazing thing. So, what is your message to the youth, those who are really jobless and they are searching jobs right now? So, can you say something about those people?
Yes, definitely, sir. So basically, I think two things are very important in life, and I think these two things have contributed a lot in growing me. Is first is the never quit attitude in themselves. Just now you have said that a lot of pharma candidates are thinking that what is after B pharma? There is a lot of thing after B pharma. Can go into the clinical trials. You can go into manufacturing process, and everything has a passion oriented work in this country. So basically, never quit attitude. We can they can go with, and another one is the aim defined. When you the definition of aim is ambition in mind. So many I have seen many of people having good potential, but they don't have the aim, they don't have the ambition in their mind. So where they are, where they want to go, and how they will go there, these three questions contribute to the success. Where they are, where they go, and how they will go. If they are cleared with these three questions, they can easily go wherever they want to go,
Thank you very
wherever they
much.
want to.
Thank you very much. Girish, thank you very much. We enjoyed very much talking to you, and inspired with your achievement and your vision. And thank you very much for coming all the way and sparing your valuable time and joining us. So,
Thank you so much, sir.
really, I'm very happy.
Thank
Any
you. Thank
feedback
you.
you want to share about the PR talk?
Yes, definitely, sir. Because PR Talk and you have contributed a lot in changing my vision.
Oh,
Because a lot of because a lot of things we get to notify from you, even through a simple WhatsApp in a group, and meeting with a lot of people in high visionary people in the Pharma Ratan Award show. That is the most that has contributed a lot in changing my vision.
excellent.
Uh, thank you so much for giving this opportunity to connect with you and to connect, helping others as well. I think this non-profitable association has grown, help people like me who can meet the uh, all the people across the globe and see their vision just by PR Talk Show only. I'm following you on PR Talk Show. A lot of thoughts have came to my mind when experienced people talk on this particular show, and they told how they grown up, how they have helped, how they have helped the manufacturing units, and a lot of ideas came to my mind, and I will definitely implement on those ideas and will grow myself, sir. Grow
Excellent.
our wealth as
Excellent.
well.
Very good. You are very much optimist.
Thank you so
And
much, sir.
I really like your attitude because attitude is everything.
Right, sir.
चलो चलो मजा आ गया और जय हिंद. थैंक यू वेरी मच. Once
And
again,
sir,
I'm telling you, thank you very much for coming all the way. Bye bye, Girnesh.
लास्ट
Take care.
चीज और आप कहना चाहूंगा,
जी
एक लास्ट चीज, और आपके
जी जी
पीआर
जी
टॉक फॉलो कर रहा था सर, तो
जी जी.
मैंने देखा कि आपके पीआर टॉक शो पे शेर व शायरी भी काफी चल रही है सर अभी. तो आई फाउंड कि मैं भी कुछ करता हूँ, तो आप अगर इजाजत दे तो मैं उस पे
हाँ,
बोल.
इरशाद इरशाद इरशाद.
या सर कहते हैं, रोने से तकदीर नहीं बदलती और वक्त से पहले ये रात नहीं ढलती.
वाह वाह.
दूसरों की कामयाबी लगती है आसान तुम्हें, पर कामयाबी इतनी आसानी से नहीं मिलती. कि
लाजवाब.
कामयाबी पाना है तो पानी में आग लगा देना,
वाह
मगर
वाह.
पानी में आग इतनी आसानी से नहीं लगती. कि
वाह वाह वाह.
इतनी आसानी से नहीं लगती. कि अगर मिल जाती कामयाबी इत्तेफाक से, तो यह भी सच है वह पछती नहीं. कि कामयाबी पाना है तो पानी में आग लगा देना, मगर पानी में आग इतनी आसानी से नहीं लगती. कि सर अब तो लगता है ये दुनिया मेरे जज्बात नहीं समझती. कि हर सितम के बाद हटकर भी जो संभल गया, फिर कौन सी बिगड़ी बात नहीं बनती. हाथ पर हाथ बांध कर बैठने से पहले सोच तू अपने आप, किसी की जिंदगी नहीं संवरती, किसी की जिंदगी नहीं संवरती. कि मंजिलों के आगे अभी मंजिलें और भी हैं, ये दौर नहीं आखिरी दौर अभी और भी है. कि मत उलझ के रह जाना जीत के फूल या हार कांटों में, तेरे वास्ते तो जिंदगी के रास्ते अभी और भी हैं. कि अगर यकीन है अपने आप पे तो जरा चलकर तो दिखाओ, ऐसे सहमे सहमे से क्यों बैठे हो, जरा मचल कर तो दिखाओ. कि लफ्जों पर गौर करना सर,
लाजवाब.
कि अगर जिंदा रहना ही होता इतना आसान, तो लोग यूं खुदकुशी ना करते. और मर ही जाना होता इतना आसान, तो लोग मौत से यूं ना डरते. कि आसान तो इस जहां में कहीं कुछ भी नहीं है, जो तू ठान के अपनी जिद पे अड़ गया मेरे भाई. मंजिल तो बस वही है, मंजिल तो बस वही है, मंजिल तो बस वही है.
लाजवाब लाजवाब. ग्रीनिश को फॉलो कीजिए और इन शेर जो शेर इन्होंने अभी मुलाहिजा फरमाया है, इन शेर पे इनकी शायरी पे गौर फरमाइए और सीखने की कोशिश कीजिए, क्योंकि जो बात इन्होंने कही है वो दिल से कही है. और सिर्फ सोचने से कुछ नहीं होता है. थिंकिंग विदाउट एक्शन इज अबॉर्शन. इसलिए सोचना नहीं है, सोचने के साथ साथ हमें इम्प्लीमेंट भी करना है, मेहनत भी करना है और दिन रात एक कर देना है. टाइम कैसे गुजर जाता है पता नहीं चलता है, जवानी कैसे गुजर जाती है पता नहीं चलता है. तो पैशन हमारे पास होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. हमारे बिना पैशन के हम कामयाब नहीं हो सकते. तो आपकी शेर शायरी जितनी भी है वो बहुत दमदार है और बहुत मानने वाली है, और उम्मीद है कि लोग इससे फ़ायदा उठाएंगे और आप फ़ायदा उठा करके आगे बढ़ेंगे. बहुत मज़ा आया गिरीश जी. आज का दिन आपके लिए शुभ हो. और ये आपका जो आज PR टॉक शो है, ये ग्लोबल PR टॉक शो, ये पूरी दुनिया के लोगों को शेयर किया जाएगा और पूरी दुनिया में आपकी बातें जब पहुंचाएंगे, हमारा काम है ये. और बस आप दुआ कीजिए कि PR टॉक शो हिट होता रहे. अभी तक तो सुपर हिट है. अभी हमने हॉलीवुड से ही शुरू करा है, तो हॉलीवुड से लेकर के तो फिर बॉलीवुड नीचे ही आ जाता है. तो अब आप जैसे लोग हैं, आप ग्लोबल प्लेयर हैं, आप आगे बढ़ाएंगे, तो आप अपने आप को भी खूब और आगे बढ़ाइए, ताकि नेक्स्ट टाइम जब हम मिलें तो फिर नेक्स्ट टारगेट के साथ मिलेंगे. ओके.
थैंक यू सो मच.
हैप्पी 2020. क्योंकि लोग बोलते हैं कोरोना काल हो गया, ये मैं कहता हूँ कि अभी तो सेकेंड अभी चल रहा है इनका क्वार्टर. अभी तो 2 क्वार्टर बाकी है, तो 2 क्वार्टर में बहुत कुछ कर लेंगे मेरे भाई.
डेफिनेटली सर, वो मोदी जी ने बोला था सर कि कोरोना से डरना नहीं है, कोरोना से लड़ना है. और
लड़ना.
आप देखो कि सर, एवरीथिंग हैज बीन, जो इतनी स्पीड अप लाइफ चल रही थी, दैट हैज केम अप टू अ वेरी स्लो स्पीड. So everybody have got the time to get into their family, get into their basically their own self. They can self-evaluate themselves and improve a lot. I have improved a lot in my pandemic, in this particular pandemic. I hope everybody have improved and they can grow their wealth and health as well.
Okay, thank you very much, and good wishes for your days to come. Bye bye.